Hello friends, I'm your little pig and today you're going to make me with just a sheet of paper. Let's start folding together. Yay! I'm ready. You made me super cute. Now let me tell you some fun things about real pigs. I am super smart, almost as clever as a dog. And guess what? My curly tail isn't just cute, it helps me stay balanced when I run around. Cool, right? If you enjoyed making me and hearing my piggy secrets, don't forget to click on the subscribe button. Bye bye.